I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit card.
हेलो गाइस, व्हाट इज अप, दिस इज दीपक एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो गाइस आज मैं आपके लिए आया हूँ हैंड पंप वाटर स्प्रेयर का अनबॉक्सिंग। ये हम वाटर स्प्रेयर मोस्टली गार्डनिंग या अपना व्हीकल क्लीनिंग जैसे बाइक या कार के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो और न देर करते हुए जल्दी से इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So guys, this is the box that we get from Amazon. So now let's unbox this product and let's see what we get inside. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon for 250 rupees and many other sprays were also available. Some priced at 300 rupees, some priced at 350 rupees, etc. But after seeing the reviews of this particular product, I decided to go with this. This product comes with extra gaskets so that after some usage, if the gaskets break or leak, you can easily replace them. You won't have to buy them separately. And don't go by the looks. By the looks, this is just a basic plastic bottle, some protective bubbles, bill, and here is the bottle itself. So like I mentioned earlier, we get extra gaskets with this. So after some time, if the gaskets break, we can always replace them with replacement gaskets. No need to buy them separately from anywhere. And so this is the main product, the 2-liter hand pump water sprayer. So don't go by the looks. This product is very reliable. So the principle here is a 2-liter bottle needs to be filled with 1 liter of water plus 1 liter of air. Air will be produced by pumping until the pumping action feels hard. So the better the air pressure, the better it will be to spray. And here's the trigger. You just need to press it, and this is a locking mechanism. You can even lock it if you want to spray for a long duration of time. And here is the nozzle if you want a stream or a spray or fine spray. So with this you can do that. So let's see what is inside. So let's unscrew it. You need to go anti-clockwise to unscrew it. Nothing here. So this is the water inlet pipe, and this is the pump, air pump. Okay, so now let's fill it with 1 liter water and see this bottle in action. So I got exactly 1 liter of water inside this bottle. Now I filled it. Now let's generate some pressure inside. The better the pressure, the better this bottle will perform. Okay, so let's do a test run. So this is right now at a fine mist mode. I hope the camera can catch this. Now to convert the stream, you just need to, wow, it's a pretty long stream. Okay, so let me just show you what is the length of the stream right now. So guys, the distance from this point to this gate is probably 6 or 7 feet. Just let's take a minimum of 6 feet. Alright, so I will now shoot a single stream. If you are able to see in the corner, I am here. Okay, so now you'll be able to see I'm over here pumping this, and let's see what is the maximum range we get from this. So if you can see that we are actually hitting the door. Okay, I can easily say that this is about 6 feet minimum, which is excellent for such a water bottle. So guys, this was the unboxing and usage of this hand pump water spray bottle. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Comment, like, share and subscribe. And after subscribing, hit that bell icon to get the latest notification from me. This is Deepak signing off. Take care guys and bye bye.